بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر.
Indeed, we sent it, the Quran, down during the night of decree.
وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر.
And what can make you know what the night of decree is?
ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر.
The night of decree is better than 1,000 months.
تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر.
The angels and the spirit, Jibreel, descend therein by permission of their Lord for every matter.
سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر.
Peace it is until the emergence of dawn. Surah Al-Qadr tells us about the night of decree, Laylat al-Qadr, a night in Ramadan when the Quran was first revealed. Allah says this night is better than 1,000 months of worship. On this night, angels and Jibreel descend with Allah's commands, bringing peace until dawn. The surah highlights the Quran's greatness, the importance of worship during this night, and Allah's mercy. It teaches us to seek Laylat al-Qadr through prayer, Quran, and supplication, as it can change our destiny and bring immense reward.